Hello, today I'm going to introduce to you the CloudMusic Concert Ukulele bag. Here it is. It fits the standard soprano ukulele and concert ukulele. I'll show you how it fits in a minute. It is mostly polyester material here. You have the paisley blue and white pattern. And there is 10 millimeter padding for protection so that it makes it easier to protect your instrument when you're walking out and around. It's all black inside. And then I got this for Christmas because I got my ukulele and it didn't come with a case. And clumsy old me figured I needed to get a case for it. And I'm new to playing the ukulele and I just wanted something simple that I could carry around with me. And I found this bag and it was really affordable. And it's also really pretty, so that definitely comes in handy. Whenever I take my ukulele out with me, I just put it in this bag and then I go. There are straps in the back so you can wear it kind of like a backpack. And if you want to, you can also carry it on the side with this handle, which matches the top here, which is really nice. And I like that it's this blue paisley pattern because, black gets kind of old. It gets kind of boring. And it definitely stands out, so if you're with other musicians, it can definitely make a difference. You can find yours easier if you all put your instruments somewhere, The texture is really smooth, kind of like lunchbox material when you were in grade school. And basically, I keep my ukulele in it for storage as well. Let me grab my ukulele. Woo! And here is my ukulele. It's mahogany. But just to show you how it fits very snug and nice. And you just zip it up in here. I'm using one hand. So the logo's right here, CloudMusic. I've owned this for about 7 months now. Like I said, I got it in Christmas. It's July. So yeah, 7 months. And I haven't had to replace it or anything. It's very durable. It's in great condition. I could bring it on road trips or travel with it, If you're a musician and you're a serious musician, or even just a beginner, you could take it to different gigs or different events with you. A ukulele in general is just a great, to have on you so you can just strum it when you're around with your friends. And having a very good case to protect it with this padding, the 10 millimeter padding, is going to be very important. So yeah, it's quite durable. The size is 24.8 by 8.7 by 3.1 inches. It's pretty straightforward design. Like I said, you have the straps here. You put your ukulele in here, pretty straightforward. Let me put that over here. And then you also have a nice pocket. So say you want to store some, like picks to strum or sheet music or something, you can kind of stick it in here. While you're traveling, it's great and very convenient. And if you're traveling, if you surround it with some padding, you can definitely put it in a suitcase with you. It's the size of your ukulele, so whatever you would normally put your ukulele in to carry with you on trips, this is what you would use. And you would put this in a suitcase. I think it fits most suitcases. So mine definitely fits super well, my ukulele. And it hasn't had any trouble. I bring it with me on the subway. I carry it around at the park. When I go on picnics, I like to play my ukulele. And I definitely find that this case really helps keep it safe. And I definitely feel better keeping my ukulele safe. I found this case on Amazon. I realized that I really needed a case. I'm very clumsy myself, and I knew that even though I treasure my ukulele, I will definitely need something to keep it in. And the cardboard box that it came in on Amazon wasn't useful, so this is definitely a lifesaver. And as you can see, it's still in great condition after 7 months and after me using it all the time. And CloudMusic has made a lot of different designs. They are known for their fashion ukulele cases of different sizes, and you can definitely check out affordable designs with them as well. Not just this pattern here. So yeah, it comes in a lot of different colors and designs. Usually pretty inexpensive. This was under $15, which is really cool and really great because it's hard to find musical instrument accessories of good quality. It's definitely a great gift. So if someone has a ukulele or you want to give them this bag, you know, to go along with a gift of a ukulele, this is such a great bag to get because it looks really nice and it's just very practical and it will help them in the long run. It's also very lightweight. It does not weigh a lot, which is great because when you add an instrument to it, that adds on the weight, and that's the last thing you want, right? Because then it becomes a lot less practical. So anyway, I hope you've liked this video.